Hi, my name is Chuck. I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and we do search engine optimization for local businesses just like yours to help them get ranked to the top of Google in order to bring them more customers and more business. And I was doing a keyword search of the most popular keyword for your niche, pest control. And this is what comes up. Usually there's some ads up top. This is a map section. Then you get into the organic rankings. Now this is just a business directory, but here's one of your competitors, another business directory, competitor to competitor. And you may or may not know that 80 to 90% of all new search results end up choosing one of the top three searches and or top three results. So if you like most businesses, you want to get on the first page because Google is the new phone book, and if you're not in there, people are not going to find you. So what gets people to the first page? Well, first of all, I was looking for where you were located, and you're back on page 5 right here. So I went to your website, which looks very clean and nice, good colors, and Google, what ranks a website to page 1? Google has to trust that site, and there's several things that go into building trust with Google. And the reason they want to trust a site is because Google is in this for the end user experience. In other words, if you're searching for something, you want to find it quickly, so therefore on the first page, and you want it to be accurate, you want it to match what you're looking for, and you want the information on that site to be authoritative and give you good information. So one of the things that Google looks at first to trust whether they trust your site or not is your title tag. So we put your URL in our metadata extractor. It pulls out all kinds of information. But this is your title, which typically shows up on the first line here. Now all that's going to show up is 72 characters. And Google likes to see on this line the city and then the keyword and then whatever you want after that, typically your company after that. So if you just made that one tweak and put in Charleston Pest Control Company, vertical line, and you're naming your company after that, that's going to boost your rankings a lot. The other thing Google looks at are headings. Think of the title as the title of your book and the headings as the chapters of your book. So on your website, the heading is similar to a chapter of a book. Yours does not show any headings other than secondary headings, which is this. And this is what signals Google as to what you want to rank for. So again, you want that to be congruent with what people are searching for, Charleston Pest Control Companies. So typically a first heading would go about right here. You'd want to put Charleston Pest Control Company and then something about All Pro Pest Management after that, a description, or you're the best in the area or something like that. We can help you with that. You can do those things yourself, or there's other things that get you to page 1 like content, citations, and some other things that we'd be glad to help you with if you want to reply to the message, email, and have a conversation. So no commitment, nothing to tie you down on that. Just be glad to help. Okay? Thanks. Take care. Have a great day.